In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disable your HUD here in Battlefield 6. Before we actually do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is actually super useful if you're recording gameplay, taking screenshots, or you just want a clean cinematic view without all those icons on your screen from your home screen. Or if you're in a game, just go ahead and press options and go into your settings. And what you're going to want to do is actually scroll down on this left hand sidebar until you see the graphics settings right here. Now, once you are on the graphics settings section, what you're going to want to do is actually scroll down a little bit farther down until you see this interface and HUD section over here, and specifically go into your advanced HUD settings. From here, if you scroll down, you're going to see a bunch of different options to show your HUD, and specifically every single option within the HUD with individual show settings on them. Go ahead and go through here and tick them off for whatever settings you'd like to go ahead and tick off. This does take kind of a little bit of time to do, since you would have to adjust your mini map, your big map, your world log, your vehicle HUD, your colors, and so much more. But once you have adjusted everything off, just back out to your game and you're going to notice that your entire HUD is gone, which is going to be perfect for clean gameplay footage or cinematic shots. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.